IBM just fired 8,000 people and replaced them with AI. The cost savings? $2.4 billion over 3 years. And here's the part nobody's telling you. Your job is worth exactly $95,000 to an AI system. Stay with me because in the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you the real cost of AI replacing your job, which jobs disappear first, and how much money companies are making while you're losing everything. I'm Real Cost, and I break down the hidden economics behind the biggest stories in tech and business. And right now, we're living through the largest job replacement event in human history. In just the first half of 2025, 78,000 tech workers lost their jobs to AI automation. That's 491 people per day. But here's what makes this different from every other automation wave. This time, it's not factory workers or truck drivers. It's you. Software engineers, customer service representatives, data analysts, the jobs we thought were safe. Let me show you the math that's driving this. The average US tech worker costs a company $120,000 per year when you include salary, benefits, office space, and equipment. An AI system that can do the same job? $3,000 per year? That's a subscription to ChatGPT Enterprise or Claude Pro. Let's break that down. If a company replaces just 100 workers with AI, they save $11.7 million per year. Replace 1,000 workers? $117 million. Now you understand why 38% of US companies have already done this in 2025. And that number is accelerating. But here's the part that should terrify you. Companies aren't saving that money. They're using it to buy more AI to replace more workers. So which jobs disappear first? The data is brutal. Number 1, data entry and administrative roles. AI can process data sets 100 times faster than humans with 0 errors. Cost savings, 80%. These jobs are already gone. Number 2, customer service representatives. AI chatbots handle 10,000 conversations simultaneously. A human handles 1. Companies like Amazon replaced 6,000 customer service workers in 2025 alone. Cost savings, 75%. Number 3, entry-level coding and software engineering. And this is the one that shocks people. AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot can write code 56% faster than junior developers. Companies are cutting entry-level positions and having senior engineers manage AI systems instead. Microsoft cut 6,000 of these roles in 2025. But here's what nobody's talking about. These aren't separate waves. They're happening simultaneously right now. Let me show you exactly how this works with IBM's 2025 layoffs. IBM fired 8,000 workers in their HR department. Not because HR was failing, because they built an AI system called Watson Orchestrate that could do everything those 8,000 people did. Hiring, onboarding, payroll processing, performance reviews. The cost breakdown is insane. 8,000 workers at $95,000 average salary equals $760 million per year. Watson Orchestrate subscription for 8,000 AI agents equals $36 million per year. Total savings, $724 million per year. That's $2.4 billion saved over 3 years. And IBM isn't unique. Google replaced 12,000 workers with AI in 2024. Meta cut 21,000 jobs and invested that money into AI infrastructure. Amazon eliminated 27,000 positions. The pattern is identical. Fire humans, buy AI, pocket the difference. But here's the question nobody's asking. If companies are saving billions, where's that money going? It's not going to workers. It's not going to consumers through lower prices. It's going to 3 places. First, AI infrastructure. Companies are spending their labor savings on chips, data centers, and cloud computing. NVIDIA made $60 billion in 2025 selling AI chips to companies that just fired their workers. Second, executive compensation. CEOs who implement AI layoffs get massive bonuses. IBM's CEO got a $40 million bonus the same year they fired 8,000 people. Third, stock buybacks. Companies use labor savings to buy back their own stock, enriching shareholders while workers lose everything. So here's the real cost. You lose your $120,000 salary. The company saves $117,000, and that money goes to billionaires, not back into the economy. You're not being replaced by AI. You're being converted into shareholder value. So what does this mean for your job specifically? If you work in customer service, data entry, or administrative roles, you have 6 to 12 months. These jobs are being automated fastest because the ROI is immediate. If you're a junior developer, content writer, or analyst, you have 12 to 24 months. AI tools are already doing 50 to 70% of your work. Companies are watching to see when they can cut headcount. If you're in senior roles, management, or creative strategy, you have 24 to 36 months. But don't get comfortable. AI is coming for these jobs too, just slower. And here's the brutal truth. There's no safe job anymore. Even doctors, lawyers, and accountants are seeing AI replace 30 to 40% of their tasks. The question isn't if your job gets automated, it's when. The companies doing this aren't evil, they're rational. When you can save $117,000 per worker per year, you'd be stupid not to. That's capitalism working exactly as designed. Here's what happens next. By 2030, economists predict 300 million jobs worldwide will be automated. That's not a maybe. That's already in motion. The wealth gap explodes. The people who own AI companies become trillionaires. The people who lose their jobs to AI, they get nothing. No retraining programs, no universal basic income, no safety net. And the crazy part? We're funding this. Every time you use ChatGPT, every time you interact with an AI chatbot, you're training the system that's replacing workers. You're the unpaid labor force building your own replacement. This isn't a technology problem. It's an economic system that values efficiency over human welfare. And unless something changes, this is just the beginning. If this video opened your eyes to what's really happening, hit subscribe. I'm breaking down the hidden costs behind AI, tech, and business every single week. Drop a comment and tell me, what's your job and how long do you think you have? Let's talk about it. I'm Real Cost. See you in the next one.